with her, don't be the size. Ay, still.
Beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Royal Nanama, and as you can see, we have safely arrived here at Southend Beach. It's a fun bam thing, basically my church and everyone here. And when we got out, I saw this toilet. I'm like, whoa, it's so cool. So I had to take a video of that. Let's go straight to the beach.
Hi guys, just arrived here at the Southend Beach. First time here.
Guys, you know I love these kind of things. Like my eyes are doing anyways. I hope you are doing well, and if you are new here on the channel, you are so welcome to Royal Nanama's channel. We keep it real with positive vibes, good energy, and all the good things you can imagine. So just taking you around the beach or the park, no, not the park, around the beach. So they've got this massive fanfare activities there, where when you come with children, they will be able to have lots of fun. Even for adults, like it's a must, it's a place to be. You're gonna love it, you're gonna enjoy everything over there. And when you're coming, you need to come prepared with more money. So yeah, those are the activities right there. They have loads, like loads. If you are someone who loves to explore, or you love things that bring that adrenaline rush, then you should check this place out. Guys, there were loads of food. I couldn't really film all, but this is me eating wache with tilapia. Eesh, it was so good. I was dancing, but unfortunately I've had to mute all that segment because of copyright. Hey, wache, oh, it go on, girl me. Eesh, you're invited. That's the fish. Yum. So before the wache, I had eaten kenke with some tilapia and pepper. Yeah. See, I came prepared though. So this thing that's on my neck, I got it from Amazon. It says it's a waterproof phone case, and I wanted to give it a try, so I got that. I'm definitely going to leave a good review for them because it was worth it and it did the job just as described on the Amazon page. Yeah, let's do a 360. Yay. I was singing Davido's song over there. Okay, so one interesting thing I noticed at the beach was when we arrived, you see all that bit, there was no water over there. Like it was dry, proper dry. And I was told the water will come to that side around 2 p.m 3 p.m ish. To be honest, this is the first time I am hearing something like this. I don't know if it's the same back in Ghana, especially Labadi Beach, because every time I go to the beach, I see the water full, like all the way to the mouth, or what do you call it? And I saw it with my eyes. I monitored it closely when the water came all the way from the back to the front. So let me know in the comment section if you have experienced that before, or if you have been to a beach to see the water far away and eventually it came to the tip or edge. How would you call that? Yeah, so you're gonna see in the video that the water has come closer. If you know me well, you will know that the beach is one of my favorite places. I was low-key dancing over there. My mom was hyping me. Again, copyright issues, so I have to mute that segment. My people, see, look at that. You see, the water has come all the way to the edge, to the tip, to the mouth. Hey, nature is really beautiful. Like, it's interesting how it works. Like, I don't know how to even explain it. Look at that. When I came, it was so empty over there. And now the water has come all the way there. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And I enjoyed the views as I watched it come closely all the way from the back up onto here. Like, I filmed it, but I don't want the video to be so long, so I just put the bits and pieces together, and you could see from the previous clips how far away the water was. So that's it. Let me know again in the comment section if this is something you know or something you have known or experienced it before. Just look at that. Nature is really beautiful. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to like the video for me. Don't forget to drop comments in the section box, and don't forget to subscribe. Over here, I finally mounted a tripod and put my camera there because I wanted to see how it would work. And there we go, just me having baby fun. Oh, look at my shoes. Yes, so that's me. Yeah. The baby in me keeps coming. Oh, and I'm still a baby. See, I'm a full-grown adult baby. Have you heard that before?